Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a current energy check-in, a small video just to see as to what's going on right now, what you need to listen to, and what needs to be addressed, whatever it is. So let's see what that is. So let's see, what are you dealing with? What do Pisces needs to know right now? Ace of Pentacles. So definitely there is a new beginning here, Pisces. New beginning is actually there. Either you are, I think, able to perceive it also. You know it is there. You are aware of it. It is has a potential of a long-term commitment. It has a potential of stability. It's not something very frivolous, and it is something good and fruitful. Okay, so let's see. Let's explore this Ace of Pentacles. What is this Ace of Pentacles for Pisces? What is this Ace of Pentacles for Pisces? So for the Ace of Pentacles, we have the Three of Wands, the Magician, the Judgment, okay, the Ten of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles. Wow, that's beautiful. The Queen of Swords, the King of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, the Chariot. Okay. So Pisces, you are manifesting this new beginning, okay, in your life. You're really manifesting it in your life. You're totally focused, and you have turned your back to something, okay. You have turned your back to something. You are rating. So it's like you are feeling very passionate about this new beginning. You really are looking forward to it. You are just waiting for the right time or the right opportunity just to make a move, okay, and you are fully prepared. So it's like you are letting go of something, whatever was holding you back, okay. There is something, whatever you was the past, you're turning your back to the past, totally passionate about what's lying ahead in your future, okay. So it's something like that, over with the past, having a fresh look and a fresh perspective, okay. Whatever it is lies in my future. I have no turning back, nothing regarding the past. It's all in the future, and you're ready with all the passion inside you. You are ready to make a new beginning over here, and that is what you are manifesting with all the zeal, with all the energy you have, okay. And with the Judgment, Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords. So this is something which is a decision which you have taken to manifest this new beginning, and it is regarding something which is a relationship which is with the Ten of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles. It is something beautiful, it is committed, it is long term, it is a family. That is what you're wanting, that is what you are deciding, okay. So this is a decision for a new beginning, perhaps a voluntary decision. No, I have to do it. I want this. I really don't want to deal anything crap from the past. I want a new life for myself. I want a new beginning for myself, and this is how I would like to proceed with it. This is how I perceive it. This is how I would like to manifest it, and that is the Ten of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles. That is what you want, okay. And that is what the decision is about, okay. It's not an easy thing for you to do, but you are doing it. It is tough being a Piscean. You have those emotional things which it's like you do feel carried away many times, but then no, this time it's a firm decision to move towards stability, okay. You are thinking logically. You are being very logical in your approach, okay. Maybe even a little guarded regarding whatever this happiness is, regarding whatever this commitment is for you, okay. You are guarding it. You are thinking logically also over here, and you are really investing and really working hard on achieving it, okay. You're really working hard on achieving it. That's what I feel, and you have all the passion. So what I feel is you are thinking logically, you are putting in all the passion, you are working hard on it. So you are doing everything you can to manifest this happiness in your life, and that is the decision which you have taken, Okay, and once you are able to do that, you are actually manifesting it, and things start moving ahead in a very positive way, and things start really progressing fast. So what I feel is, with the magician, you are using the pentacles, the cups, the wands, the swords, everything. You are using everything. You are doing all the bit which requires to be done in your life right now, so that you have no looking back. You are done with the past. You are just focusing on the future and manifesting it in a beautiful way. Okay, so that is your firm decision, that no looking back, I need to move forward, I need to focus on my future. And you want happiness, you want relationships, you want commitment, you want long term. You are being logical, you are being rekindling your passion, you are doing whatever it takes to manifest this new beginning in your life. And that is only permanency, only stability. You are not in for anything which is short term or a frivolous type of a thing. That's what I feel. And once you've invested in this situation, you are actually manifesting this new beginning, and you are it's like things start really moving on very fast with the chariots. You will be able to take the driver's seat over here, and things really start rolling for you, Pisces. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.